Hello, everybody. My name is Cathy Adams. I am co-host of Zen Parenting Radio and the author of Zen Parenting. And because of the Glenbard Parenting Series, I am so excited that I get to be in conversation with my friend, Dr. Shefali, on January 23rd. We are going to be talking about her newest book, The Parenting Map, but we'll also be talking about the conscious parent, the movement that started it all, and the awakened family, and talking more about how she got to this book, The Parenting Map, what it's offering parents, why it's different than the conscious parent, and what we can take from it to make our parenting journey more connected, more empathetic, and less judgmental. I always walk away with something new when I talk with Shefali. She is a wonderful resource, a wonderful writer, and just a great support system when it comes to being the best parents we can be. So please join us on January 23rd. I really look forward to it.